Hello everyone and welcome to my tutorial on how to play I Will Go Sailing No More from the movie Toy Story. Let's get right into it. I'm going to teach you how I played it in my version, so if you want to see how that sounds, you can check it out up here in the corner. Standard tuning, no capo. What more can you ask for? You ready to go? So we're going to start out with that really cool intro from the original. I think it's trumpets, but it goes something like... So we're going to break that down into three basic sections, the first one being pretty much just a G chord. Nice G chord, but we're really only going to be playing the low 4 strings pretty much, like that. And then the strumming pattern is going to be down, up, down, 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 down, up. But the unique thing is when you do your upswing, you're going to lift your index finger off the A string and just play it open. So it's going to be down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. And then make sure you accent that A string on your way up as much as you want. So after you do the, you're going to slide up both fingers to the 5th fret, then back down to the G. And that's the end of the first part. Okay, so for that second part, it's pretty simple. After you do the... You're going to go up to the 8th fret with these 3 fingers and just go straight across on those 3 strings. And you get that really nice sound. And then you're going to put your index finger on the 6th fret behind the pinky on the same string, so you can play that once you remove your pinky and go back up. So it's just beautiful. Okay, so now we're on to the third and final bit of the intro, and it goes like... And that's really just a C, a B flat, and then a C. You can either do it as a power chord or as a bar chord or as a combination of both. So you can either use your index finger just here on this E string, or you can do it as a bar chord. I like to do it as a bar chord and mute these high strings. So you can do it however you want. Just go slide down 2 frets, slide back up to the 8th fret. Congratulations, you've learned the intro. How's it feel? Great, I'm sure. Now we're going to move on to the verse. Also take note, I have the chords down in the description below if you want to copy that over for your own reference. Alright, so you're going to start with a G. Out among the D stars I sail. C-add-9. Way beyond the D moon. Then you can add this little flick if you want. In my silver, that's a G. Back to D. Ship I sail. C-add-9. A dream that ended to D7. Soon. Okay, so the first verse goes, out among the stars I sail, way beyond the moon. In my silver ship I sail, a dream that ended too soon. Alright, so the chords for the chorus part are C-add-9. Now I know F sharp. Exactly who. You can either play it as a bar chord or a power chord, whichever you prefer. I am G. And then a B7, and what I'm here for, E minor, B minor, C, but really just these 3 strings. And then you're going to play this weird C sharp diminished 7 chord just on these 3 strings. And then you're gonna play G. And I, E minor 7, will, C minor, go, G, D7, no more G. Into the verse. So to recap that, we got, now I know exactly who I am and what I'm here for. And I will go sailing no more. So for the second verse, there's going to be some picking that I did where you have a G chord and you start on the E string, skip the A and go to the D, G string, B string, back down to the G, back down to the D. So you're going to do that 3 times. All the things then you're going to switch to a D and play these 4 strings. Thought I'd been. And then you can do a little pick here, little hammer on if you want. And then you're going to go to a CAdd9 with the middle 4 strings. All the brave things I'd done. Back to the same D chord. And then you're going to play a G chord. Vanish like a, back to a D, snowflake, just a regular strum, snowflake, CAdd9 with the rising of the D chord. So to recap, all the things I thought I'd been, all the brave things I'd done, vanished like a snowflake with the rising of the sun. Now on to the second chorus. The chords are exactly the same as the first chorus. Perfect. So for the awesome bridge with the crescendo ending, we're going to start with an A flat chord. And for any of these chords, you can either do a bar chord or a power chord, whichever one you prefer. But you're going to do an A flat, but no, E flat, it can't be, back to A flat, true. And then you're going to go up to a B flat, I could fly if I wanted, E flat, 2, and then you're gonna do a B, like a bird in the sky, F sharp. If I bird, D flat, leave I could fly, A flat. Will I, E flat, fly. So to recap, but no, it can't be true. I can fly if I wanted to, like a bird in the sky. If I believe I can fly, will I fly? Wow! For the very end, you have this interesting E7 over B chord. Looks like that. Clearly, F, I, D minor, will B flat minor, go, F, C, no more F, B flat, then F. To recap that final ending, clearly I will go sailing no more. Alright guys, that's the end of the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning this song. If you have any questions, make sure to let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and like on your way out. I'll see you guys next time.